Alright, so this is the OnePlus 15. OnePlus is calling this their most powerful phone ever. Faster, smoother, and built to last longer than any OnePlus before it. But the big question is the OnePlus 15 actually a true flagship killer in 2026? Let's break it all down. Design, display, performance, cameras, battery life, and whether this phone is worth your money. Let's get into it. Starting with the design. The OnePlus 15 looks clean, modern, and very premium. It features a glass back with a metal frame, ultra-thin bezels on all sides, and a perfectly flat display that feels great in the hand. At around 209 grams, it's not the lightest phone out there, but it feels solid, like a true flagship. And those ultra-slim bezels? Just about 1.15 millimeters on each side, which makes the front look almost all screen. Color options include infinite black, titanium, and sandstone style finishes, all of which look clean and professional. Now let's talk about one of the biggest highlights, the display. The OnePlus 15 comes with a 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display, a 1.5K resolution, and a 165Hz refresh rate. Yes, 165Hz. Scrolling feels insanely smooth, animations look buttery, and gaming feels incredibly responsive. The display also supports HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision, which means Netflix, YouTube, and Apple TV content looks vibrant, sharp, and punchy. Now, some people may say it's not a full 2K display, and that's true, but in real world use, it still looks fantastic. Alright, performance time. And this is where the OnePlus 15 goes full beast mode. Powering this phone is the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, built for extreme performance and efficiency. This phone does not slow down. Apps open instantly. Multitasking is smooth. Heavy games run at high frame rates without stutter. You can get up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and up to 1 terabyte of ultra-fast UFS 4.1 storage, which means this phone is absolutely future-proof. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or switching between multiple apps, the OnePlus 15 handles it with ease. Now this is one of the biggest reasons to buy the OnePlus 15. A massive 7300 mAh battery. That's bigger than most flagship phones on the market right now. In real-world use, you can easily get a full day and a half, even with heavy usage. And when it's time to charge, you get 120-watt SuperVOOC fast charging, which can take this phone from zero to nearly full in under 40 minutes. It also supports wireless charging, which is great for convenience. Let's move on to the cameras. The OnePlus 15 features a triple 50-megapixel camera system, wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto. The main camera delivers sharp photos with natural colors, especially in daylight. The telephoto lens offers 3.5 times optical zoom, which is great for portraits and distant shots. Low light performance is solid, though not class-leading, but still very reliable. For video, you can record 4K at up to 120 frames per second with excellent stabilization. The front camera is 32 megapixels, producing clear selfies and smooth video calls. On the software side, the OnePlus 15 runs Oxygen OS 16 based on Android 16. It's clean, fast, and very close to stock Android, which is exactly what many users love. Animations are smooth, customization options are deep, and OnePlus has added smart AI features without cluttering the system. You also get long-term software support, making this a solid investment. You get dual stereo speakers with clear, loud sound. There's no headphone jack, which is expected these days, but audio quality over USB-C and Bluetooth is excellent. Connectivity includes Wi-Fi 6 and Wi-Fi 7, fast 5G, Bluetooth 5 Plus, NFC, and accurate GPS. Security is handled by an in-display fingerprint scanner and face unlock, both fast and reliable. Pros and cons. Let's quickly summarize. Pros: incredible performance, massive battery life, super smooth 165Hz display, very fast charging, clean and fluid software. Cons: camera is good but not the absolute best. No headphone jack. Display is 1.5K instead of full 2K. So, should you buy the OnePlus 15? If you want top-tier performance, long battery life, and a smooth Android experience, this phone is absolutely worth considering. It may not win every camera comparison, But as an all-round flagship, the OnePlus 15 delivers where it matters most. This is OnePlus at its strongest. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more in-depth tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.